Yeah.
When he starts the camera, tell me you can do this.
Or what are we doing? I'm going to ask some really dumb questions because I'm a non-motor guy. What do you got going on here, Sam?
Well, they're getting the plug wires made up.
Okay.
We decided to pull the transmission back off because we think it's going to be a problem now to try to get it down in the hole.
We're standing right over the stinky drain, too.
Boy, that does stink.
Sticky grease.
It's going to be heavy on the front end.
Oh, I brought you another tube of stuff here, too.
Well, did you?
It should be right there. I laid it right in there. Did you move it, Raj?
Yeah, it's over in the bench.
Okay. Not everybody gets a chance to see on YouTube the pulling of a transmission. See? What do you think about all this, Raj?
What do I think about it? Sammy's gonna love it. That's what I think.
Yeah. The car came down yesterday, and had you seen it before? Had you been
Oh
following?
yeah, yeah. I've been down there.
Have you? Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, this is the next step. This is the marriage.
This is it.
Morning, and you're obviously doing some wiring here.
Well, Sammy's the boss. He'll tell us.
Yep. But in a perfect world, are you going to try to just drop this in this morning?
Oh yeah.
Sun shining off the
Bell
bell
covers.
covers.
Roll the roll in there.
They still don't have your tire out? They still have the right tire out?
They still can't get me the right one. They don't know what to do yet.
Call Patty.
Who?
You didn't have Patty?
That's where I come from.
What do we look like, Mike?
I don't.
You good?
You gotta
We gonna be able to
pull
go
that
straight
out
down?
and get the front end this way. How'd you get the ding in the pan already?
Are you kidding me or what?
Or is that for the box? I might be coming out of the gray box there. It's got to come this way a lot.
We might be able to put that, we might be able to drop that right straight down in, huh?
The only thing is the front wheels on this don't turn, that's the bad.
No, that's the hard part.
What doesn't turn?
The front wheels on your, on this thing.
They're crane.
Oh,
It's an antique, so.
You got the wire stand?
so is everything else.
You might have to
I
take-
wasn't gonna say that, I was waiting for somebody else.
You knew it was gonna be coming.
Yeah, I did. Hold it.
You wouldn't have wanted to try to do the training on this, huh?
No way.
I've done it before with that cross member up there.
I don't think you're quite as worried about scratching stuff, though.
Yeah, true.
I gotta come
We
back.
come in, I was gonna see if we come back. Call Johnny, ask him if he has touch-up paint, see what he says.
Well, I'm not gonna call and ask him that.
Oh, now come back. Down, Scoop.
She's right there. I'm pretty close on my side, yeah.
We're right on over here, how are you, Mike?
Gotta come right straight down, we're good.
Okay, hang on, here we come.
Oh, wait a minute.
We're
Now,
caught.
we're gonna have to go and hold the back of the engine up or crank it up from here.
Headers ain't gonna fit on this side with beans, I'll bet.
With what?
I don't think the headers are gonna fit with beans on this side. You've got a header on that side, right?
Yeah, he laid it in there.
With the spark plug on it.
It looks not quite, how much? You started, Mike?
It's all
Yeah,
the way
he's in.
But it ain't tight, it's just
How
finger
about the
tight.
header itself? You ain't got that in place yet. I don't wanna bind it. Gonna be okay? Alright.
Another snag. I knew we'd run into some little snag. Clutch linkage is not quite right. I'll go make a call.
Cross-shaft mounting brackets mounted at the wrong angle. Minor.
Here we are, Saturday noon,
It's on schedule,
on schedule.
on schedule.
You feeling okay?
Getting better, getting better. The clock is ticking, Greg. There's only so many days left. I have, on the calendar. You know, keep checking days. Sammy, this has to be done, this has to be done. Tim Barron's gonna be there Monday to get it lettered.
Is he gonna do it here?
We're not sure yet, it depends. Sammy's talking about bringing it up to DNS, just room inside here. So Bruce is gonna haul it up Monday morning, we'll get it painted, and then in the afternoon, bring it back so Roger can finish some
He'll do the
detail.
whole thing in a,
Oh, yeah, Timmy will get it painted, I'm assuming 4 or 5 hours, I don't know. It's been so long since we've seen him paint a car anymore, you know, everybody uses vinyl, and we definitely gotta put paint back in the car, so.
cool.
But I think everything else is lining up. Sammy's got a little clutch issue right now he's working on, but I'm sure in the next 10 minutes that's gonna be resolved. Mike Samuelson's getting the thing wired up. Roger's put the carburetor on, get fuel in the tank, and we're ready to rock and roll.
You think we'll actually start it today?
I think the car will run today.
Cool.
Sammy's not going home until that engine fires, he
All right, well
said.
then we're here, we're
Okay,
here, we're
all
here.
right.
What do you think
I
of your brother's car here?
great effort.
See ya.
Beautiful looking piece. Very good. 27L always look good and always will be good.
Yeah. So you gonna join us next Saturday?
Of course,
There you go.
wouldn't miss it. Right. So
Sam,
Yeah,
he does very good work. He does very good work and thorough.
just bring back some memories.
Oh yeah, a lot of long time.
Did he ever get you involved in either of you guys in working on the car, or just,
No, not much.
he wouldn't let you touch it, huh? No,
He always had Neil there.
we weren't allowed. Only guys like Mike.
I was in a bad position here. It's tough on an old man.
you're doing well.